Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to earn with Clickbank affiliation marketing. Let's dive in. So today we will switch and stick to the most informative and question topic, which will not only enhance your knowledge, but will motivate you to work on yourself and know your worth. So as you know, technology has been upgraded to a great extent. But before getting onto the topic, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earnings from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. In today's world, we have been provided with various beneficial facilities and resources to be used for us. Online learning and online earning is getting much popular nowadays. Everybody wants to earn and become financially independent at an early age to be self-sufficient. Online earning in recent times has acquired a lot of value. Making money nowadays has become a trending and sizzling work in recent times. Technology is getting advanced and internet value is growing day by day. People can find many privileges to earn a proper income without leaving their comfort zone. That is, they can earn side by side at their own homes without any obstacles in today's time, whether it's a student or any college goer. If anyone is looking for an extra source of income, the online world has something for everyone. Now, as you know, our videos are made by having a thought of growing gradually or step by step from basic to complex. So here it goes. Before going on to the topic, let's first understand what actually Clickbank affiliation marketing means. This refers to a platform that allows you to earn money by promoting or advertising other people's products. It's an awesome way to earn money and be self-independent, or we can say that it's super easy to get started with your financial goals and with Clickbank affiliation marketing. But the question arises, how can you start with this platform? Don't worry, we will try to resolve your every doubt. So, before going on to the topic, let's have a very clear aspect of the topic. All you need to do is just need to sign up here as an affiliate. Then, have a choice of product that you are interested in promoting. And next, just start promoting it. Once you've chosen a product, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that you can share with your audience. You can use various strategies or even run ads to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Now, when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Well, after learning about the meaning and process of Clickbank, let's move to the third question. How actually can you promote, or what you are required to do here? Now, there are various reviews, various different methods that can be used. You can create websites or blogs according to you, or you can post reviews or articles regarding the product that you want to promote. Not only this, you can create your own YouTube video channel or social media posts to show the promotion of the products. It completely depends on how you want to advertise your product. Now with Clickbank, you can become an affiliate marketer and can earn commission by promoting products on their platform. You can have the key to success in this field by choosing the right products and building a connective trust with your audience. Be honest towards your reviews and suggestions and provide valuable content to them. The most important aspect of marketing is to find your niche. It can be cooking, health, fitness, or other. You just need to work on this with full dedication, and otherwise you can easily sort by. Now, once you've chosen a niche, it's time to start promoting. Create a website or a blog where you can share valuable content related to your niche. Write reviews, share tips and tricks, and provide helpful information to your readers. You can start driving traffic to your website by making use of some social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to promote your content. Engage with your audience, and now comes the fun part, monetizing your website. Sign up as an affiliate for products on Clickbank that are related to your niche. Place affiliate links within your content and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your link. Don't forget to track your progress. Clickbank provides detailed analytics so that you can see which products are performing well, and which ones need a little extra push. Now, this type of marketing, or Clickbank affiliation marketing, is a good way to earn money online, which, the right way, if techniques and dedications, you can have a profitable business. With a small bit of casual tone and effort, you can start making money from the comfort of your own home. You do not need to have a lot of money behind you to start affiliate marketing. Often, people who are new to affiliate marketing make the mistake of choosing a very broad niche like finance, weight loss, or relationships. Look, to find 3-5 good products that your audience will need, payments can be done through per lead, per sale, or per click. Each has its own pros or cons. But it's a good idea to have a healthy mix of each as a part of your monetization strategy. Now, someone exciting you would love to listen about it. That one of the amazing things about Clickbank is it offers many choices. You can say that there are thousands of products from which you can have your choices or you can choose. So you can find the product which suits your size or genre. Now, let's talk about the money earned from this work, which is quite a decent amount of money for each sale you make, inclusive of commission rates, which are also very generous. Well, after learning about the meaning and process of Clickbank, let's move to the third question. How actually you can promote and what you are required to do here. Now, there are various methods that can be used. You can create websites or blogs according to you, or you can post videos, reviews, or articles regarding the product that you want to promote. Not only this, you can create your own YouTube video channel or social media posts to show the promotion of the products. Now, it completely depends on how you want to advertise your product. If you're a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topics. So what are you waiting for? It's an easy or super easy way to make money online. With this, you are not required to go behind your comfort zone. You can do it, and you can do it at your own home and work at your own choice. Hope you liked the video, and if you want more such videos, please comment, share, and like this video so that we can get the motivation to work more and bring such content according to your choices. You are also requested to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Till then, goodbye and take care of you and your family. We will come back with another blockbuster soon. Till then, keep being with us and support us too.